What if this fall, instead of just scrolling for inspiration, you actually created something beautiful, connecting to your creativity and joy, all while surrounded by a community of makers doing it right alongside you? That's exactly what the Paper Petals and Pumpkins Fall Challenge is all about. And the best part, it's completely free to join. I'm Abby, and I created this 3-day online challenge to give you a step-by-step experience where you'll paint faux pumpkins, craft paper flowers, and bring it all together into a centerpiece that feels personal and purposeful. Mark your calendars for October 9th through the 11th to watch my brand new Paper Petals and Pumpkins workshops. Each one is beginner-friendly, designed to use affordable supplies, and templates and supply lists are included so that you have everything you need to follow along with confidence. During the challenge, you will have a full 24 hours to watch the workshops for free each day. But if you want more time or you just don't want to wait until then to start, be sure to check out the Instant Access Pass as well. Then on day 3, October 11th, join me live for our arrangement workshop. Together, we'll bring our paper flowers and pumpkins into one finished centerpiece, learn the art of floral composition, and share questions and ideas in real time with fellow makers who believe in slowing down and creating with intention, and celebrating a season with meaningful custom projects that just can't be bought. No overwhelm and no perfection are required. Just the joy of making something that you'll be proud to share at your Thanksgiving table, gift to a friend, or use to decorate with for your next special celebration. So be sure to save your free spot now by entering your name and email below this video, and I will send you all the details straight to your inbox. I can't wait to see you inside the challenge, my friend. Bye for now.